Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now let's move on to the dollar yen. I like to keep this channel. It's quite well drawn, I think. Okay. So I think last week let me just clear out some of these redundant lines and zoom out to the monthly. Okay. So I think our analysis last week was that it's going to be choppy and then eventually grind up to the top. I think this analysis still stands. We may see one of these break out to the downside and then fake out to the downside and move up again. So let's see what we predicted. Yeah. So predicted choppy movement. We said take a long when RSI reached the bottom. It did. So if you're long here, you're good. And then it did kind of follow if you think of this. So I think the upside will eventually come, but do not be surprised if we see a breakdown. Where was that? Yeah, so if we look at this, it's pretty similar in a sense. Just draw it out. It's clear. Okay, so make this another color so it's easy to follow. Maybe something brighter, purple. Maybe yellow. Yeah, yellow is easy to follow. Okay, if we look at this yellow line, it is trading in this channel for the longest time ever, and then it broke to the downside. And if you are overzealous, you may take the short. And look at what happens after you've taken the short. Let's say if you play it on the pullback, you short. Right, it did trend back upwards, and I think we may very well see something similar over here. Right, so it does this for a while, it breaks down, and then suddenly it goes up. Right, this could happen. So let's say if you're going in for a long, we think the wave 5 is still coming, but if you're going for long, you really need to take like let's say you come in here and then you get stopped here, stopped out here, then you come in here, you get stopped here. That's 1, 2, right? You really need to get stopped out twice, right? And at this point, you probably have already given up, and the gains are to come, right, later on. So really, like if I were to go in for long, I really want my stop loss to be far enough, like give you a little bit of buffer, right? The upside gains are enormous, so give you a little bit of buffer. And where we're targeting is here. So where the upside gains is 1 to 5, right? Yeah, so no doubt this is more like a swing trade. You've got to hold your trade for weeks to months, but if you're not able to account for the volatility in your trades, what happens more often than not is you get stopped out and you may start to revenge trade. So the key to beating the Forex markets is really patience. It's really the ability to be resilient and never ever bust your bankroll, because as long as your system is intact, your risk reward is sound, you do not risk more than X% of your portfolio per trade, you're fine. You will be able to tank the losses and then wait for the disproportionate upside, right, which will cover your losses in the multiple folds. Yeah, so really the key to the game is really to be patient, and I don't see any other. I don't see a downside coming from the dollar yen. I think it is in an uptrend. This retrace may be deeper than what I've drawn here, but ultimately we're looking for that last wave 5, and then maybe when it touches this line, we get a deeper retracement. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's for the dollar yen.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.